This video is just for the people who want to start their own business but they don't know what business they should start. So I will give you example. First of all, you need to do business in that field that you love the most. If I will say you, what will be the thing that you can do for completely free? Okay, what is your passion? So this is your business. If you love to do gardening, then you can start your business in gardening. Okay, you can start making a content on gardening. If you love how to do marketing, you can start your business on marketing. Or if you are a coach in any field, whether your math is good, if you want to teach math, then you start making content on math. Okay, and then this is your business. So if you want to do business, you have to select the field you love the most. You can create and you can talk, or you can do a lot of things in that totally free. So this will be your business. A lot of people stuck in finding your business. So this is how you can find the business. Okay, once you understand what is your hobby, what is your passion, what you can do the most beautifully, or without even taking a rest. Okay, or the thing you can do all the time. So this is your business. This is how you can find your own business, your own passion. Whatever you do, if you do any small thing, this can be your business. If you love to do photography, this is your business. So this is how you can find your passion, find your business. Once you find it, then you can start doing, like, making how it will work digitally, how it will work locally. First of all, you need to understand what will be your business. I see there are a lot of people who stuck, they don't know what to do. Okay, they go in a way, everyone is going into electrical field, they want to go into electrical field. Okay, everyone is going to do software engineering, they want to go in that field. So this is not fair with yourself. You have to do what you love the most. Okay, and what you can do easily, or what you can do completely for free, this will be your business and you can grow in that business. If you want to learn about digital marketing, stuff like that, subscribe to my channel.